can vouch for that.
Just saying.
Yeah. Let's show you what's going on. We take a look outside. Yeah, there's no doubt. I bet you do a pretty good job. You'd be the Martin Scorsese of the 3-minute New Mexico True videos, Dino. I can see it right now. Can you get Leo DiCaprio in there to help you out?
We're working on it.
Yeah, okay, good. No, I like it. I like the chances. All right, here's a look. Partly cloudy skies over the northern mountains, mainly the Moreno Valley, where it's been a very nice day and pretty nice setup over the past couple of days up here across the north, and it's going to stay that way at least for another day or so, maybe a little bit longer. We'll see what happens here, and I'll have more details on that in a moment. And a look out here from 10,000 feet down onto the valley floor. Not much happening here weather-wise, plenty of sunshine, and the storms today very, very limited. The only storm we have of any real concern is just scraping into Union County right now, and this is a severe thunderstorm. Other than that, everybody else is pretty much dry, but tomorrow we start to see some of those changes edging in. 93 degrees in the metro area, temperatures in the 80s and 90s across the north, down to the south, 90s up to the triple-digit heat, including 103 in Roswell and 103 in Carlsbad. Satellite and radar, everything rotating around a large area of high pressure anchored over New Mexico. So we've got to move the high if we're going to get some showers going, and it does look like the high will move over the next couple of days, just not tonight. But as we head into the day tomorrow, we'll start to see a few showers, northern mountains and northeast, and then into the weekend that high begins to shift. It's still going to be hot across the south with a lot of sunshine, but we will start to see the chance at storms sag a little farther to the south, and then as we head into the day on Sunday, we start to push a little more moisture in along especially the western edge of the state up in across the northern mountains here. So it's not necessarily going to be one of these deals where we're going to be looking at a very wet setup over the weekend, but we're definitely going to be looking at more storms over the weekend than what we've seen over the past couple of days. And if you look at tomorrow, not a bad storm day. Models starting to pick up on some showers over the northern mountains, maybe a couple here stretching down into the east mountains and even down into the Sacramento mountains, and then things quiet down Saturday. Not a huge storm day, but again, at least we're getting some scattered showers across the north, mainly north and western sections, and then a better storm crop as we head into the day on Sunday, and more likely better storms into Monday too. So let's go region by region across the area. Temperatures mainly in the 80s across southern Colorado with partly cloudy skies. Chance of an afternoon storm. That chance peaks a bit more into the weekend. 93 in Farmington, 85 in Cuba, and 90 out in Grants. Down across the southwest, partly sunny. A spot storm possible here, but the bigger story is the heat. Lordsburg, Deming, Las Cruces, Alamogordo, TRC, and Socorro all going to be knocking on the door of 100 degrees. We've seen a lot of 100-degree readings recently in Carlsbad, Artesia, and Roswell. That chance continues. Up to the northeast, partly sunny. Some skies are going to cloud up a little bit in the afternoon, and we'll see a chance at a storm or two. So this is definitely a bit of a change, and then that chance at showers continues northeast and northern mountains into the weekend. 81 in Chama, 86 Los Alamos, and 88 out in Santa Fe. East Mountains, mostly sunny skies, warm conditions, temperatures in the mid to high 80s, even some low 90s. And in the metro area, sunny and hot. 95 Rio Rancho, 92 in the foothills, and 94 in the heights. Not much in the way of showers here over the next couple of days. Could we grab a spot shower? It's not out of the question, but I think our better chances really lie on Sunday into Monday with highs starting to cool a bit.
All right.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you.